Welcome on the How To. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe for more free how to videos. So now let's go. Learn how to be a good kisser. We've all heard about how to be a good kisser, but what exactly does that mean? It means that you should be able to take your time and really feel her out before you even kiss her. It also means that you should be able to use your voice to get her aroused, which is what will happen if you are good at kissing. If you want to learn how to be a good kisser, here are a few tips to keep in mind. First, the most important thing is to make sure you are aware of how she feels. Many people try to go through this process as soon as they are with someone. Unfortunately, this can really hurt the experience. By being aware of what she is feeling, you'll be able to make her more comfortable and get to know more about her. Be sure to look for clues that show you're getting her turned on. Most women are used to men who only kiss them because they are already aroused and can't wait any longer, but if you want to know how to be a good kisser, you need to make it look like you're interested. Don't be so quick to kiss her right away, make her wait for you to get aroused first. When you do finally get her aroused, make sure to give her a very good blowjob. A woman's mouth is one of her most sensitive parts, and you need to make sure that you are able to make her orgasm during oral sex. This is a great way to tell if she is ready for foreplay, because when she is ready, she'll let you know. This will give you a much better chance at getting her to climax. When you are finally going to take her home, make sure you give her a warm, relaxing kiss. While she may not be aroused yet, she probably wants to see your face. If you have an open smile, she will feel sexy. Even if she's not ready for foreplay yet, she's more than likely ready for a full-on kiss and oral sex if you give her one. Being a good kisser doesn't necessarily have to be about taking her to bed. Instead, you can use it to turn her on so that you can give her foreplay and oral sex in ways that you wouldn't be able to otherwise. If you want to learn how to be a good kisser, this is a great way to start. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more how to.